Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix if your Telegram is not sending a code while you try to log in. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first thing that you can do here is to check the network connectivity. So Telegram sign-up codes are sent via SMS. So if you are poor or you are in a poor network area, then your phone might be struggling to get the SMS code. So therefore, try checking your cellular signal strength, and if your signal strength is weak, just try restarting your device or move on to an area with better signal strength. And then next, what you can do is to make sure that you are using a valid phone number. So just ensure that you have entered your correct phone number while trying to register on Telegram. So if you've entered your number in a hurry, chances that are few digits might be incorrect. So therefore, if Telegram is not sending a SMS code, just enter your contact and correct number rather while registering it. And then lastly, what you can do here is to go into your settings right here, and then in here just go into your apps and then manage app, and then just go ahead and look for Telegram or search for Telegram, and then go to the storage right here, and then click on the cache or tap on the clear data on the bottom part of your screen and tap clear cache and tap OK. So after you've done that, you should be able to receive your code or sending code on your Telegram once you try to sign in again. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.